Hello friends, today I'm going to tell you about how to design this home navigation toolbar as a tab, right? So we can design, you can see, you can create this design and you can see the view as a tab, right? So let's do it one by one. Here, if I clicking these things, if I click on the home, you can see simple, this behave like a menu, okay? But I want to behave this like a tab. Okay, so first thing here you can see this is the underscore layout.cshtml. This is the master page, right, in the MVC ASP.NET Core MVC, and this you can find inside the views here. This is the layout.cshtml, right? So this is a navigation toolbar where you can find here, right? So this is inside the header, okay, and here you can see this UL part is actually going to display this entire stuff. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to add it the nav tabs. Okay, this is the first step you have to use in the UL section. Save it, click on the hot reload, and you can see the page should yeah, you can see this underline, right, this line. So now this is showing the border. Okay, so this is closer to a tab. Okay, but it's not done. We have to do more things here. Okay, so next thing is that when I click on this on this home menu or on the search dashboard or search menu, right, I want the background to change, right? Okay, and it will be selected or highlighted as well, correct? Okay, so simply if you make this as active, okay, so let's make it active, save it, auto load, and see here it's showing this white. Okay, so it looks selected, right? But yeah, let me make this black, so the font color is okay. So you can see and save it, auto load. Now you can see this home is in black font. Okay, so now it looks good, this home is looks, but yeah, when I click on the dashboard, it's not highlighting. Okay, it should also be activate, correct? So once you click, but you can't make everywhere active, right? If you make it active, all would become white, right? So that behavior I don't want, correct? So I want behavior should be dynamic. So someone do like this, add a script, JavaScript on the click, they do add active in a class, right? So that is good, but I can show you how to make it in a good and efficient way. Okay, okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the class, I'm going to add something here. Okay, okay, so what I'm going to add is here I have something. Okay, so I'm going to add this active things based on the condition. Okay, and what is that? So let's see. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add here, let's remove this active here. Okay, and I want this active to be here, right? So I'm to paste this code here. Okay, fine. So what it's going to do, it's going to find this view context route data dot values dot controller. It's going to find the name of the controller. Okay, name of the controller, and it's going to find that what is the name of this controller. Okay, so this controller is home, so the name should be home. So when one is going to click on the home, okay, so it's actually going to check this value, right? So this action, this link is for home controller, for action is index. Okay, so you can do two things. Either you can take the actions. If you want to take the name of the action, you can write here the action. If you want to take the name of the controller, you can write the controller value. So this value can either be action or controller, right? So it's upon you, right? So the action is unique, you can use action here. If the controller is unique, you can use the controller, or maybe you can use both if the things is complicated. Correct? So now, right now, keep it simple. And I'm using this controller. Okay, it's home. Okay, and here I'm using this black. So it's only not only active, it should be black as well, because when it's active, the background is going to be white, so the text would be black. Correct? So let's remove this black from here, because I'm adding active with black when it's clicked, and when it's not clicked, it will be white only. The fonts will be white. Okay, so this text is white. Okay, good, fine. So let's see the current behavior now. Save it, hot reload, check. Okay, it's asking for rebuild it. No worries. Fine. So the next thing is, yeah, here you can see the behavior is still similar. Yeah, but you can see right now it's not active. When I click on the dashboard, this become default. But yeah, when I click on the dashboard, I want this dashboard should be selected. Okay, so what I need to do is I have to make the similar things for all tabs, right? So I'm simply going to copy and paste it here for the dashboard as well. Let's copy the dashboard. My controller should be dashboard, and action is the index. Okay, so it's fine, no need to do this. Index is fine, and my controller should be dashboard. Okay, so copy this, control V dashboard. Fine, delete this. Okay, save it, reload it. Okay, no worries. Disable hot reload. Let's see, is it behavior is changing? No, maybe I have to reveal it. No worries. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy paste for all, and we can paste it together. Okay, so this controller is for the search. It's for the search, and controller is search. Yes, we control search. Index is fine. Names would be search. Okay, here the names would be dashboard. Okay, delete this search. It's implemented. Next for the privacy. Okay, so privacy is having the controller privacy. Okay, privacy controller, right? The controller is privacy, name is also privacy. Okay, okay, perfect. Actually, action is privacy as well, not index. Okay, so action is privacy. Fine, cool. Save it, restart it. Yeah, click on the dashboard. Oh, good, looks good. Click on the search, looks good. Click on the privacy. Okay, so maybe it's not there, but anyway, this will work. Okay, so home, dashboard, search, and even privacy you can. Okay, so the controller is not available, I believe, so that is not showing here. Probably, yeah, there is no privacy controller. No worries. But I think you just let's comment it. It's not required here. Okay, auto load. I will apply it. Okay. Okay. Yeah, here we go. Perfect. So I think it's easy, simple, and you just need to focus here on the view data, raw data. If you want, I can just copy this into the description as well if you want, or I think it's not that much code, so it's good. Okay, thank you so much.